Hold on one second. All right, good morning. We are now streaming live on YouTube. Today is November the 3rd, 2025. I am Judge Case Johnson, and I am the Magistrate Court Judge presiding over today's calendar. Oh, we can't hear you. Can't hear anything you're saying. Still can't hear you. You want to log off and log back on? I have no idea what you're saying. Inmates hear her? Can the inmates hear her? No. Okay. All right. You can just log back off and log off and log back on. See if that works. Okay.
Your Honor, can you hear the interpreter now?
Now we're cooking with oil.
Now you're breaking up, Judge. Can you please
Now I'm
repeat that for the interpreter, please?
Okay, so hold on. All right, I'm going to start over. We are now streaming live on YouTube. Good morning. Today is November 3rd, 2025. I am Judge Case Johnson. I am the judge presiding over today's calendar.
Estamos transmitiendo en vivo en YouTube. Buenos días. Hoy es día 3 de noviembre del 2025. Yo soy la jueza Case Johnson y soy la jueza del Tribunal de Primera Instancia que preside la lista de causas del día de hoy.
Are having trouble hearing me, please let me know, as there are a few things I need to go over with you prior to starting today's calendar. Please listen carefully as it will better help you understand the purpose and the nature of today's proceedings.
Si usted tiene dificultad para escucharme, por favor hágaselo saber al alguacil, am, porque yo necesito repasar con usted varias cosas antes de pasar la lista de causas del día de hoy. Por favor, escuche atentamente, porque esto le va a ayudar a entender mejor la naturaleza y el propósito de esta audiencia.
First, I am not here to try your case, take a plea, or have any legal discussions about any specific case.
Yo no estoy acá para tener un juicio en su caso, para que se declare a los cargos o para tener discusiones legales con respecto a los hechos específicos de su caso.
The purpose of first appearance is to inform you of the charges against you, advise you of certain rights, set bonds for those offenses for which I'm authorized to set bond, to schedule a preliminary hearing, and to determine whether you require the assistance of an attorney.
El propósito de la audiencia inicial es informarles cuáles son los cargos que se le imputa, informarles ciertos derechos, asignarle una fianza en aquellos delitos en los cuales este tribunal está autorizado a asignarle fianza, programarle la fecha de la audiencia preliminar y determinar si usted requiere la asistencia de un abogado.
You have the right to remain silent, so please do not attempt to tell me any specifics about your case or any legal defense that you may have. As I stated earlier, we are streaming live, and anything you say during this proceeding can and will be held against you in later proceedings.
Usted tiene el derecho de callado. No trate de hablar de hechos específicos de su caso o cualquier defensa legal que usted piense que pueda tener. Como le dije anteriormente, estamos transmitiendo en vivo y cualquier cosa que usted diga durante esta audiencia podría y sería utilizada en su contra en las audiencias posteriores.
Now, during this proceeding and all following, you have the following rights: right to the presumption of innocence, to indictment by grand jury for felonies or by accusation for misdemeanors, to a speedy and public trial by jury, to compel the attendance of witnesses to testify on your own behalf, to see, hear, and question witnesses who are called to testify against you, to testify on your own behalf or offer evidence in your own defense, and to have an attorney represent you. And if you cannot afford one, one may be appointed if you qualify.
Durante esta audiencia y todas las audiencias posteriores, usted tiene los siguientes derechos. El derecho a la presunción de inocencia, el derecho a que el gran jurado le formule un documento inculpatorio si se le acusa de delitos graves o que se le formule una acusación si se le acusa de delitos menores, el derecho a tener un juicio sin demora público ante un jurado, el derecho de exigir la presencia de testigos para que declaren a su favor, el derecho de ver, escuchar y contrainterrogar a todos los testigos que sean citados a testificar en su contra, el derecho de declarar a su favor y de presentar pruebas para ser utilizadas en su defensa y el derecho de tener un abogado para que lo represente. Y si usted no tuviese los medios para contratar un abogado, uno le podría ser asignado si usted cumple con los requisitos.
Also, if you are not a U.S. citizen, some charges may adversely affect your immigration status, so you will need an attorney.
Si usted no es ciudadano estadounidense, algunos cargos podrían afectar de forma negativa su estatus migratorio, o sea que usted debería de consultar con un abogado.
Now, some of you will be allowed to post what we call unrestricted bonds from your release from jail pending the prosecution of your case. These bonds may be posted in three ways: cash, commercial, or property.
Algunos de ustedes se le permitirá pagar lo que llamamos una fianza sin caso pendiente para ser procesado. Estas fianzas pueden ser pagadas de tres maneras diferentes: en efectivo, utilizando una compañía de fianza comercial o utilizando una propiedad.
If you post a cash bond, someone will deliver the full amount of full amount of the bond in cash, together with any mandated fees to the sheriff's office, who will hold it until after the final court date, at which time the cash will be returned to the person who posted it.
Si usted paga la fianza en efectivo, alguien tendría que llevar la cantidad total de la fianza en efectivo más las tarifas de ley a la oficina del alguacil, la cual se quedaría con este dinero hasta el final de su caso. Y al final de su caso, este dinero le sería reembolsado a la persona que lo pagó.
If you do not have the full amount of the bond in cash, you could also use a commercial bonding company who may take up to 15% of the bond as their fee, and this fee will not be returned to you.
Si usted no tiene la cantidad total de la fianza en efectivo, usted podría utilizar una compañía de fianza comercial, la cual le cobraría hasta un 15% de la total de la fianza, pero esta tarifa sería reembolsada.
You may also have someone post a property bond so long as the net equity in that property is at least 3 times the amount of your bond. For example, if I set a bond for $2,000, your property must have at least $6,000 in equity to qualify as a property bond.
Usted también podría pedirle a alguien que pague su fianza utilizando una propiedad, siempre y cuando dicha propiedad tenga un capital neto que sea por lo menos 3 veces la cantidad total de la fianza. Por ejemplo, una fianza de $2,000, la propiedad debe tener por lo menos $6,000 en capital neto para poder calificar como una propiedad para hacer pagar la fianza.
Now, each of you will have as a condition of your bond that you are not to violate any laws while you're out on bond. But some of you will have additional special conditions that will prohibit you from contacting certain people or going to certain places. If you have a no contact provision on your bond, this means that you must stay away from and have no contact with the victim. You may not call, text, email, write a letter to, or contact through any social media platform. You can't even do something nice for that person, such as sending them flowers, a gift, or a nice song. As nice as this may be, it would be a violation of your bond.
Cada uno de ustedes va a tener como una de las condiciones especiales de su fianza que usted no puede infringir las leyes mientras esté en libertad bajo fianza. Alguno de ustedes va a tener condiciones especiales adicionales que le prohíben ponerse en contacto con ciertas personas o de que acudan a ciertos lugares. Si la orden de su fianza estipula no tener contacto, esto significa que usted no puede tener ningún tipo de contacto y tiene que mantenerse totalmente alejado de la víctima. Usted no podrá llamar, enviar un mensaje de texto, un correo electrónico, escribir una carta o tener algún contacto utilizando las redes sociales. Usted ni siquiera podría hacer algo amable por esa persona, como enviarle flores, un regalo o una canción agradable, porque aunque esto parezca ser muy amable, esto constituiría una violación de las condiciones de su fianza.
Now, if I order you not to return to a particular location, that means that you cannot go back to that location for any reason. If the no return location is a shared residence, meaning you reside there along with the alleged victim, let me know and I will authorize you to go back, but only while accompanied by a sheriff to collect some of your personal belongings that are not in dispute, meaning there is no issue with who owns that property.
Si yo le ordenara no regresar a un lugar en particular, esto significa que usted no puede regresar a ese lugar por ninguna razón. Si el lugar al cual usted puede regresar es un compartido, lo que significa que usted reside ahí con la presunta víctima, hágamelo saber y yo le voy a autorizar para que usted regrese, pero solamente acompañado de un alguacil para retirar sus artículos personales que no estén bajo disputa. O sea, que no haya ningún de una pregunta o disputa de a quién le pertenecen.
You will need to make an appointment with the sheriff's office within 10 days of being released to pick up your personal belongings.
Y usted necesitaría hacer una cita con la oficina del alguacil durante los primeros 10 días después de haber salido en libertad para retirar sus artículos personales.
Now, unfortunately, some percentage of you will come back into custody on a bond revocation because you didn't take what I am saying here serious. Instead, you'll reconcile with you'll return to the residence, all good until it's not.
Ahora, desafortunadamente, un porcentaje de ustedes va a regresar para una revocación de fianza porque usted no se tomó lo que yo le estoy diciendo en serio. En lugar de esto, usted regresa a la residencia, se reconcilia con la víctima y todo está muy bien hasta que ya no lo esté.
The moment the victim becomes upset, the police will be called and you will be arrested and held without bond. The court takes these special conditions very seriously, so just follow the order until you get it modified or your case is resolved.
En el momento que la víctima se moleste, la policía sería llamada y usted sería arrestado sin derecho a fianza. La Corte toma estas condiciones muy en serio, o sea que solamente acátese a la orden hasta que la misma sea modificada o su caso haya sido solucionado.
Now, if you do violate the bond order and the court considers your contact intimidating or harassing, you could receive a charges such as aggravated stalking or influencing a witness. These type charges carry a punishment of up to 20 years in prison and $20,000 in fines.
Y si usted infringe las condiciones de la orden de su fianza y la corte considera que este contacto fue intimidante o acosador, a usted se le podría imputar cargos adicionales por persecución ilícita con agravante o influenciar a un testigo. Y este tipo de cargos conlleva un castigo de hasta 20 años de prisión y una multa de hasta $20,000.
Also, if your spouse, family member, or friend is the alleged victim in your case, he or she will not be allowed to post your bond, nor are able to contact the victim in jail.
Además, si su cónyuge, su pariente o amigo es la presunta víctima en el caso, a él o a ella no se le va a permitir pagar su fianza. Tampoco se le permitirá ponerse usted en contacto con la víctima mientras usted esté en la cárcel.
Now, some of you are charged with offenses for which this court is not authorized to set bond. In this event, a bond hearing will be scheduled before a judge of the Superior Court of Clayton County.
Alguno de ustedes se le imputa cargos en los cuales este tribunal no está autorizado por ley a asignarle una fianza. En ese caso, una audiencia para pedir fianza sería programada ante un juez del Tribunal Superior del Condado de Clayton.
If you are currently on active probation, this court is not authorized to set bond at this time. Whether a bond is appropriate in your case will be reconsidered after the probation officer has had an opportunity to review your new charges.
Si en estos momentos se está cumpliendo una condena de libertad condicional, esta corte no está autorizada a asignarle una fianza en estos momentos. Si la fianza, en caso, sería tomada en consideración nuevamente después que el agente de libertad condicional haya tenido la oportunidad de evaluar los nuevos cargos.
All right, listen closely to this part. The purpose of a preliminary hearing is to determine whether there's enough evidence or probable cause to keep you detained on your charges. If you bond out, your preliminary hearing is automatically waived because you are out of jail and no longer detained.
Escuche atentamente a esta parte. El propósito de la audiencia preliminar es determinar si hay suficientes pruebas o motivo fundado para continuar con usted detenido por los cargos imputados. Si usted paga su fianza y sale, la audiencia preliminar se cancela automáticamente porque ya usted no está en la cárcel y ya no se encuentra detenido.
If you are charged with misdemeanors only when you come before the court, I will ask you if you wish to waive your preliminary hearing. Waiving your preliminary hearing does not affect your rights, your bond amount, or your bond amount is in case for magistrate court to stay.
Si a usted se le acusa de delitos menores solamente, cuando usted venga entre la corte, yo le voy a preguntar que si usted quiere renunciar a tener su audiencia preliminar. El renunciar a tener su audiencia preliminar no afecta a sus derechos o la cantidad de su fianza. Perdón, la cantidad de su fianza. Esto simplemente mueve su caso más rápido del tribunal de primera instancia al tribunal estatal.
The court does not have any preference as to whether you waive your preliminary hearing. However, when I ask you if you wish to waive your preliminary hearing and you respond by saying, "What does that mean?" I will schedule your preliminary hearing as I do not want you waiving something you don't understand.
Esta corte no tiene ninguna preferencia de si usted renuncia a tener su audiencia preliminar o no. Sin embargo, si cuando usted venga ante mí, yo le pregunto que si usted quiere renunciar a tener su audiencia preliminar y usted me responde que qué significa eso, entonces yo le voy a programar la audiencia preliminar porque yo no quiero que usted renuncie a algo que usted no entiende lo que es.
Also, if you have a prior criminal history, meaning this is not your first arrest, you are not eligible for an OR or what is known as a signature bond.
Además, si usted tiene antecedentes penales, o sea que este no es su primer arresto, entonces usted no cumple con los requisitos para que le asigne una fianza bajo firma o una fianza bajo palabra.
Now, it has come to our attention that inmate families have been contacted by individuals claiming to be an employee of the jail, offering a pretrial program and dismissal of all charges if a substantial fee is paid. Please note that this is a scam. No such program exists in this jail.
Se nos ha informado que los familiares de los detenidos han sido contactados por individuos haciéndose pasar por empleados de la cárcel y ofreciendo un programa de resolución previa al juicio y desestimar todos los cargos si se le paga una suma sustancial. Por favor, sepa que esto es una estafa y que el tal programa no existe en la cárcel.
Finally, I'm about to read the oath to you. If you understand it and swear to it, please respond by saying, I do. Please raise your right hands.
Finalmente, estoy a punto de leerles el juramento. Si usted así lo entiende y así lo jura, por favor diga lo juro. Por favor, levante su mano derecha.
Do you swear or affirm that the information that you're about to give this court, as well as the information you provided on your application for court-appointed counsel, are true and correct? If so, please state I do.
¿Jura usted y afirma que la información que usted está a punto de dar ante este tribunal, así como también la información suministrada en su solicitud para un abogado de oficio, es correcta y verdadera? Si así es, dígalo juro. I do swear, I do swear.
Okay.
All right, come on, ladies.
Okay,
Let's do this.
Okay. I'm gonna do first Alberto Luna.
Primero va Alberto Luna.
Sí, Alberto Luna.
Yes, Alberto Luna.
All right, you are charged with battery. I've set that bond at 5,000.
Ok, a usted se le imputa el cargo de agresión física y yo le asigno una fianza de 5,000.
3 counts of cruelty to children in the 3rd degree.
3 cargos de crueldad infantil en el 3er grado
I've set those at 2,000 each.
y yo le asigné una fianza de 2,000 por cada uno.
And obstruction, 2,000.
Y de impedir el trabajo de un oficial, 2,000.
For a total bond of $13,000.
Para una fianza total de $13,000.
And you may not have any contact with Julie Hernandez.
Y usted no puede tener ningún tipo de contacto con Julie Hernández.
And you may not return to 5030 Forest Park.
Sorry, Your Honor, can you repeat that for the interpreter? You were breaking up.
He may not return to 5033 Maple Drive in Forest Park.
Usted no puede regresar a la 5033 Maple Drive en Forest Park.
And he must not violate any laws while he's out on bond.
Y usted no puede infringir ninguna de las leyes mientras esté en libertad bajo fianza.
If he resides there, he may go back, but only while accompanied by a sheriff to collect his personal belongings.
Si usted reside ahí, usted puede regresar, pero solamente una vez y acompañado de un alguacil para retirar sus artículos personales.
His is December. Bonds out, you don't have to worry about that.
Sorry, Your Honor. Can you repeat that for the interpreter?
His preliminary hearing is December the 1st at 8:30 a.m. But if he bond out, he don't have to worry about that.
Su audiencia preliminar está programada para el día 1 de diciembre a las 8:30 de la mañana, pero si usted paga su fianza y sal, no tiene que preocuparse por asistir a esa audiencia.
Good luck to you, sir.
Buena suerte, señor.
Reboller,
¿Rebollar?
your name, sir?
Your Honor, Luna has one more question.
Okay.
Lo siento. Lo que pasa es que con la persona que me estoy comunicando ahorita es mi esposa. Y ella fue con la que yo tengo el problema y no tengo otro número.
The thing is that the person that I'm in touch with now is my wife, and she's the one that I had the problem with. I don't have this number.
Who wanna read?
So say that one more time.
Repita eso una vez más.
Lo que pasa es que el número que tengo ahorita para comunicarme con alguien solamente es, pues fue con ella pues, el problema y tengo que tener otro número
Uh,
para comunicarme.
the thing is that the number that I have right now is my wife's number, and I don't have any other number. Do I have to have someone else's number so I can get in touch?
You need to have somebody else's number.
Usted tiene que tener el número de alguien más.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Say your name, sir.
Diga su nombre, señor.
Isael Eduardo Jiménez Rebollar.
¿Puede repetir?
Isael Jiménez Rebollar.
Isael Jiménez Rebollar.
All righty. You're charged with failure to stop at a red light. That bond is set at 500.
A usted se le imputa el cargo de no pararse en un semáforo en rojo y esa fianza es de $500.
Too fast for conditions. I dismissed that one.
De conducir muy rápido para las condiciones y yo le desestimé ese cargo.
And the no license, that bond is set at 1,000.
Y por no licencia esa fianza es de $1,000.
Your total bond is $1,500.
La cantidad total de su fianza es de $1,500.
You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond.
Usted no puede infringir las leyes mientras esté en libertad bajo fianza.
Preliminary for December the 2nd at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that.
Su audiencia preliminar está programada para el día 2 de diciembre a las 8:30 de la mañana, pero si usted paga su fianza y sale, no tiene que preocuparse.
I've also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
También le he asignado un abogado, señor. Buena suerte. Thank you.
All right, Juan Perez.
Juan Pérez.
And Yate, can you ask Janice to come here, please?
Juan
Say your name, sir. Say your name, sir.
Diga su nombre, señor.
Juan Pérez Medina.
Juan Pérez Medina.
Right, these are total, man.
It's not Perez?
¿No es Pérez?
Sí, Juan Pérez Medina.
Yes, Juan
Oh.
Pérez Medina.
All right. You are charged with improper left turn and no license.
A usted se le imputa el cargo de doblar a la izquierda de manera inapropiada y de no licencia.
I'm going to go ahead and release you today.
Yo voy a proceder y lo voy a poner en libertad en el día de hoy.
If you would please sign that waiver of your preliminary hearing because you're going to be released.
Sí, por favor, podría firmar el formulario de renuncia de su audiencia preliminar porque lo van a poner en libertad.
And maybe you can help the other young man find somebody, a number when you get out, so he
Y-
can get out.
Y quizás usted puede ayudar al otro señor con el número que él cuando
He understand what you were saying?
¿Entendió usted?
No, no escucho.
No, no, I couldn't hear.
They really can go back, but just hold them.
I was saying there was another young man who was saying that he didn't have the numbers to anybody. Maybe you can help him out once you get out to
Ah.
locate somebody that can help him get out.
Yo le estaba diciendo de que había un joven que dijo que él no tenía el número de nadie. Entonces yo estaba diciendo que quizás usted le puede ayudar a localizar el número para que usted lo pueda ayudar a él a salir cuando usted haya salido.
All right. Sound like he's doing that. Good luck to you, sir.
Buena suerte, señor.
Voy a quedar en libertad entonces.
So I'm gonna be released then.
Y ya.
Yes, sometime today.
Sí, señor. En algún momento en el día de hoy.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Your Honor, can we get, a few individuals out the way, about 5 unruly?
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Tell me who they are. Is one of them Hill?
Yeah.
Hill is currently in court upstairs.
Oh,
She'll
so we
probably
need,
down.
so we need to continue him?
He may be down by the time we're done.
If not, Your Honor, you can't continue him because he already an active inmate.
Yes, I'm gonna go ahead and continue him till Wednesday.
Okay, that's
Okay.
fine.
So Barber, Little Barber,
I got several.
Davion Foster,
Barber, use my list. Barber,
Foster,
Foster,
Moy, Rogers, Sim, and I think that's it, Your Honor. Yes, that's it.
All right, so let me locate Barber.
Who
You
Barber?
can just bring them all up.
Okay.
Your Honor, may I be excused?
Oh, yes, thank you.
You're very
And
welcome.
can you reach out to Chan about setting communications?
Can you repeat that, Your Honor?
Can you reach
Breaking up.
out to Chan in our office about setting that up with communications?
I will, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
No.
These are yesterday.
These are Sundays, they paid for her today. And once I just Foster. And I said, "Who's your jail face? You listen to it." Did you give him back? Did you say he does? The jail face. Let me check to see if
Pete,
Hold on one second.
these are the ones that you wanted to amend.
All right, and so Barbara can go back because his warrant needs to be amended. So that's he's gonna be, he can go. And let's see. Sims can go back. He's gonna come back on his order needs to be amended. So Sims can go back.
He gonna have court, so another day.
all three got the same thing? Yeah.
Foster,
All the same thing. Huh? Excuse me. Okay.
They continue.
Ma'am,
yes,
Hill is on the way right now from court.
who is?
Hill,
Javin Hill.
I just.
Oh, okay, let's see. Okay, I have Foster.
Football. Okay.
He might be yesterday. Son.
Mhm. Mo,
Today.
mm, he's not the one I just said continue because he was upstairs.
That's his guy. I don't have. Check to see if he got his paperwork.
Just said it.
I got Robert. I got Robert.
Yeah.
No, you had Peel too.
Hill.
Don't you? All right, you have Mr. Hill?
No. No, ma'am, he's not down yet. I just
Oh, I
had-
thought you said now you had Mr. Hill.
Yeah, he's en route.
He's en route getting sit down. I just have Mr. Moore, Mr. Foster, what's your last name, sir? And Rogers.
Okay, so Hill not gonna be seen today, right?
No.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, they went to go get him.
All
They
right.
went to pull him, but he's just not here yet. I have Mr. Moore, Mr. Rogers, and Mr. what's your last name? And Foster.
All right, so I didn't pull Rogers, but no, we're continuing Hill.
Okay.
All right, and so Devion Foster, Mr. Foster. Which one is Mr. Foster?
Right here.
Okay. All right, Mr. Foster, you have possession of prohibited items, setting that bond at 5,000. Your preliminary hearing is December the 1st at 8:30 a.m. And I've also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
I appreciate it. Going through. Moy.
Moy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
He can see you. See him Wednesday. You can go ahead and go in through though. No. Oh. Let me that Wednesday.
Anything, so I ain't gonna go back, I ain't get shit on tomorrow, back my account. No.
All right. 40 aggravated assault. I'm setting that bond.
Big, man.
Send that bond at 15,000. The simple battery, I dismissed that one. Possession of a weapon, setting that bond at 10,000. Riot in the penal institution. But bond is $30,000.
Your Honor,
You can't have any contact with Bussy, Quintarius Bussy, and you must not violate any laws once you're released. I've set your preliminary hearing date for December the 1st at 8:30 a.m. and I've also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
like you said, the riot, that's 30,000.
No, the
No,
total is 30.
30,000. Oh, the overall total is 30,000. So,
Right, the riot was 5,000.
thank you, man.
But sir, stay out of trouble.
I know, man. I swear to God, I am, man. I'm trying to go home.
It's just so disturbing seeing all our black men in
I know
here.
it is, man. I know
It
it
is
is.
so heartbreaking. It
I know
really
it
is.
man. I swear to God, I know it is, man.
I don't, and you got a pretty long history. So I don't ask, but
No, I
know
swear to
you
God,
like-
it's nothing I can tell you. I don't even want to talk to you. I'm gonna get it together, man. I'm gonna put my mind on it and just focus on myself and focus on the things I need to focus on. Cause I got a big heart and I put my trust and focus on a lot of other people other than myself. So I need to start worrying about myself more. The more I worry about other people, the longer I'm being.
Stop worrying about grown people.
Grown people ain't nothing, ain't nothing in here in jail, man. Ain't nothing.
That's
in
right.
here, man.
Tell the people. I may reach out to you so you could tell some other little kids that.
Man, that's all I want to do. That's all I want to do.
Okay, I got you. Thank you. And what's your name, sir? What is it?
Rogers.
Mr. Rogers? And you have prohibited items. You have a prohibited item. Gonna set that bond at 5,000. Your preliminary hearing is December the 1st at 8:30 a.m. If you find out on this, you don't have to worry about it. Got a lot going on your criminal history. I don't know. I don't know what's wrong with our men today. We're losing y'all at an rate. All right, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right, then we have Mr. Desire,
Oh, yeah, that's the one that got.
Judge.
Attorney Williams.
I'm here, Judge.
That's the one with the arm.
There you go.
One of them.
All right, so Kari Desire.
Yes, we're getting. One moment.
All right, Mr. Desire, what happened to your arm?
I
What happened to your, huh?
I was playing basketball.
Oh, okay.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Albert.
All right, so you have counsel here. Attorney Williams, your client is charged with simple battery and unlawful acts of violence in a penal institution. Go ahead. You want to communicate some things to the court?
No, Judge, we're just asking the court to set a bond for Mr. Zah, a reasonable bond. He has a bond on his other cases. And we're just asking for a reasonable bond for the two that he has, the two new charges that just got put on yesterday. So we're asking for a $3,000 bond.
All right, so let me review his criminal history. Right. 20 simple battery, but there's no conviction on that. Another 23 simple battery, false imprisonment. Looks like that. I think that was dismissed. Then we have harassing phone calls. That was guilty. Another harassing phone calls, 12 months. That was in 2023. Mr. Desai, you can't go a year without getting in trouble. You cannot go a whole year. Cruelty to children, all this was in 2023. These were convictions. Battery convictions, 2024. Battery convictions. Cruelty to children. All this was in 2024. Then several failure to appears. A stalking in 2024. Another family violence in 2024. Death by taking in 2024. Another theft by taking in 2024. Simple battery and riot in 2024. And then we come to what we have. So you're very busy, but you're not busy doing the right things. And so council, the warrant says that there was a housing unit 3.
And I'm not saying about it. Nobody's looking for it. No, it's me. It's me.
During all of this, inmate Desire began punching the victim multiple times. Laceration to his left portion of his back. Yeah, he was, seems like there was a riot going on and he was involved.
Judge, I haven't had the opportunity to speak to Mr. Zah in regards to those charges.
Ms.
yet.
Williams, we can't hear nothing you saying. I mean, it's like you're in a hole.
What about if I talk louder, George? Does that help?
Yeah, that's better.
Okay, Judge, I said I hadn't had the opportunity to speak with Mr. Zah in regards to those charges yet. And I will, and obviously court knows he's presumed innocent at this point. So we're just asking for a reasonable bond for the new charges that were administratively dissolved last week, but somehow brought back again this weekend.
Mr. Desai has a very, very, very violent history. And I understand sometimes while you're in jail, you're racking up in protection of yourself. I'm going to presume you're racking up additional charges on other charges. But these charges just show a lack of empathy. All right, I'm going to set the riot charge at $5,000. His total bond is $8,000. Mr. DeHaza, if you get into anything else, I'm telling you, we're going to make sure that everything is denied. Try to figure out a way to get out of there. And you're not going to get it out of there if you keep getting more and more charges.
Yes, ma'am.
There's a bunch of people doing something. Stay away. They got cameras. You know they're going to see everything you're doing. And then charge you more. And you just keep getting deeper and deeper. Instead of going the right way to getting out, now you're going the wrong way. All right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
his total bond is $8,000. And he is not, if he sees him some kind of way, he is not to have any contact with Quantarius Bussey. All right, council, anything further?
No, Judge, may I be excused?
Yes, y'all have a great day. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, Deputy, I need to see some specific people first because I know I've already got these done, so we can get these removed. I mean, so we can get those, we can get them out. What about Rihanna Arnold?
Yana Arnold.
Right. And then Sinetria Davis.
Yeah, we have them in order. Sit down, yeah.
What you do is they just small. Eight people.
I'm gonna go get them.
All right. What's your name, ma'am?
Brianna Arnold.
All right, Ms. Arnold. You're charged with battery family violence. That bond is set at $4,000. You cannot have any contact with Jakari Horton, and you may not return to 994 Hickory Bend Road. That address, do you know what city that's in? Ellenwood?
Atlanta.
It's Atlanta?
Yes.
Um,
I hope not.
Okay, that is considered Atlanta. Do you reside there? Were you residing there?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so you can go back, but only while accompanied by law enforcement to retrieve your personal belongings.
I'm the owner of the house. or-
Can't hear, I can't, you gotta speak up.
My name is on the property.
Your what?
My name is on the property.
Your what is on the property?
My name, I'm the renter of the house.
Okay, I understand that. Who all lives in this house?
My mother. Can you hear me? My mother lived there. And my children, my two children. So I don't have nowhere else to go.
Jakari Horton.
That's my brother.
How old is your brother?
He's 20,
How old are you?
24.
It says that you got into a physical altercation with your brother, striking him multiple times with the closed fist, biting him on the hand, and biting him on the hand. The victim had bruises on his right hand. So how am I gonna put you back in the house and this what y'all doing?
Well, originally he was in,
Originally what?
originally he was in college and he moved back in, so he has somewhere to go, but I don't, cause I'm the renter of the house. He's currently live with me, with my children and my mother, so
How many children do you have?
I have two.
How old are they?
One is 3 and one is 5 months. I just recently had a baby.
I'm gonna take a chance on you, Ms. Arnold, but you need to call law enforcement out. So now you don't have to spend a night away from your 5-month-old baby. So I'm gonna change this to no violent or harassing.
Okay, thank
And
you.
if y'all need to get him, do a dispossessory to get him out the house because
Yes, ma'am, I am.
can't continue like this.
Well, they get sent back.
No. Are you employed, ma'am?
No, ma'am, I'm not.
Why not?
I've been currently looking for a job. I just been a stay-at-home mom until she get a little older. But I'm currently looking for a job. I have an interview Tuesday, so I'm trying.
Okay, all right. I guess that's all we can ask.
Children.
All righty. And so no violent or harassing contact with Mr. Horton. If the police are called again, then you're gonna be held in court without a bond, all right?
Okay, I'm gonna just go.
Again, I'm taking a chance on you. I am gonna also appoint an attorney to you, and your preliminary hearing is December 2nd if you don't make your bond,
Okay. Thank you.
all right? I am going to set this bond, I'm gonna set it at 3,000.
Okay, thank you.
All righty? All righty. Well, good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ms. Davis?
Yeah, she probably did. And I will say it's both this and alphabetical order, like combined for eight.
All right, what's your name?
Santricia Davis.
All right, Ms. Davis, you are charged with criminal damage in the first degree.
Yes, ma'am.
This is a felony. I've set your bond at 3,000. You must stay away from Maurice Richards, and you may not return to 1311 Gardenwood Drive.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
That is, what city is that?
Atlanta.
Sorry,
Atlanta.
that's gonna be Atlanta. All right, who all resides in this home, ma'am?
We both do with our kids.
All right, and so the allegations is that you took a metal sink weight inside you put a metal sink weight inside of a sock, striking both of the televisions multiple times, causing extreme damage. All right, you didn't want him to watch TV?
No games.
Is this your husband?
Fiance.
Okay, so you got to figure out something better than breaking stuff. That's not gonna work.
Yes, ma'am, you're right.
And so, hold on one moment. All right. Sorry about that. Hold on. This was. It was Miss Davis. Is this on for
Vegas.
that was yesterday?
That was yesterday.
Oh, you have her criminal history.
You in five, Frank.
Miss Davis, right?
Yeah. All right, Miss Davis, hold on 1 minute. I need to find your criminal history. I wrote on here no criminal history. You've never been arrested before?
Oh, man.
Okay. All right. So I am going to set your bond. How old are the children?
12 years old and 18.
12 and
18.
18. They're girls or boys?
Girl,
Say that again.
one girl, one boy.
You don't want to be showing your daughter that this is how she deal with stuff.
You're right. I don't. She's only 12.
All right, so I'm setting your bond at 2,000.
Thank you.
Do you have somewhere else you can go?
No, ma'am.
All right, to all the YouTube people out there, when you commit an act in your home, you generally will be taken out of that home. Y'all got to understand that. And so basically what I am doing is putting you back in a situation where something worse could happen. Since you don't have any criminal history, harassment. But if you come back, if the police are called and you come back, then you won't get a bond at all.
You're breaking up a little bit, Yana. Can you repeat that?
If you come back,
I won't.
because I'm putting you back in this home
Thank you.
where
I
these
won't.
bad things already happened. So I'm taking a
promise I won't.
chance on you.
Thank you. Thank you very kindly.
So it's just no violent or harassing contact.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can go back to your home.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. Your bond is 2,000. Your preliminary hearing is December the 1st, but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And it appears that you do not qualify for a court-appointed attorney, so I cannot appoint one. All right. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. And then can I get, let's go ahead, Alicia Johnson.
Alicia Johnson?
Ralicia Johnson
Okay.
or Kamaya Slater. Oh, no, I can't do Slater because did they give me the other warrants? I was missing one. Yes, I have them.
Okay, so we're gonna bounce from list to list. We had them in order based on the date of intake. But you just wanna
Right,
go,
but some of them I have not gotten to yet.
I
So
got
I was trying, the ones I've completed, I was gonna try to go ahead and move them along.
okay, so Johnson and Slater.
Yes.
Okay. Johnson and Slater. Is Johnson first? Is Johnson? Or release it, you go first. Go down there. Slater have a seat. Release, you go to the computer screen. Yes.
All right, are you Ms. Johnson?
Yes.
All right, Ms. Johnson, you are, what's your first name?
Alicia.
All right, Ms. Felicia, you're charged with theft by shoplifting. I've set that bond at $3,500. You may not return to Home Depot, and that's at 2034 Mount Zion Road in Morrow. And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for December the 1st at 8:30 a.m., but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And I've also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you. Miss Slater.
Yes, later. All right, and so Miss Slater, and then T, if you could go ahead and get Tisha Wyatt next.
That's in position number 1 on the bench, okay? Yep, so Miss Slater, you step up. That's you. Yeah. Yeah, opposite, that's not it. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's what I want to match. You talk about, do big list of time, you know, she got the match. And like, you're in, so I really nice. I bet you gotta feel the same. It's seven. I'm asking about, I can say, I was talking 31st, every first. The first one there was. She had done. So third one was there for him.
Yante, can you tell me if you see a criminal history on Slater?
Later,
Slater.
one moment, Your Honor.
Slater was yesterday. Yeah, it goes from Sims to Willis.
Okay, Your Honor, it is page 33, part 3. Page 33, part 3.
Okay. 33. All right. Thank you.
My pleasure.
All right, Miss Slater. You have some history for sure.
I'm sorry.
What is your relationship with the victim?
He was my girlfriend. Well, we had just started really talking.
All right, you can't have any contact with Janisha Kirkland.
Okay. Oh, I don't have, yeah, I thought, I don't have any relationship with Janisha Kirkland.
Nor can you have any contact with, let me see. Isis Lewis.
Yes, ma'am.
I just don't understand control people by beating them and strangling them, and you need to get some help.
I didn't put my hands on her. I didn't.
Okay. You cannot go back to that location,
Yes, ma'am.
which is the 1106.
I have scratches on my face and stuff. She put her hands on me. I guess was considered the aggressor because how I can carry myself. I have the scratches and stuff all over me.
Like my grandmother said, if you can't get along, just get apart.
That's right. That's right. That's why you ain't got to tell me twice about not talking to her. I promise you, you don't.
I'm not going back there for nobody.
I didn't trust me. That's why I say you ain't got to tell me twice. My dog is at her house though.
So you can go back only while
going back
by law. No.
Oh.
You can go back to get your personal belongings, but only while accompanied by law enforcement.
Okay.
To get your belongings so that the deputy will make sure nothing happens.
So I just called straight 911.
The sheriff's office.
Okay. Thank you.
And then the $1,000 bond on that.
I'm
Your
sorry.
total bond is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,500. So if somebody, y'all need to learn how to call law enforcement. I'm gonna also give you a court-appointed attorney. So your total bond is 16,500. You can't have any contact with Janisha Kirkland or Isis Lewis. You can't return back to 1106 Summerbrook Road, and that's in Atlanta. And you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. You have some criminal convictions in your history. If you need to go get some help, you need to go get some help because you're just gonna keep going back there. So get yourself some help. All right. Good luck to you, ma'am. All right. He should. All right, Ms. White, you're charged with criminal trespass. I've set that bond at $1,000. No violent or harassing contact with Contavious Williams. You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
I am taking a chance on you, letting you go back into this home.
Yes, ma'am.
I guess you were trying to put him out and you just put his stuff somewhere.
In the living room.
That's not what this says.
Yes, I took his stuff out the bedroom and put it in the living room. In bags.
She advised that she packages belonging in the garage
We don't even have a garage in the apartment.
door. Nah, this, you'll be released today.
Okay, how much is the bond?
I'm dismissing it,
Thank you so much.
but you need to go do whatever you need to do. If you don't want him in your house, you need to do what you need to do to get him out,
Yes, ma'am.
or you'll be spending another night here again.
Yes, ma'am, I understand.
All right.
Thank you so much.
I'm gonna dismiss it.
Hey, thank you. Y'all right here. Thank you.
All right.
Your Honor,
Yes,
are you doing just the second, November 2nd list first? Because I had put the females in order on both sheets.
you know, I'm gonna do whatever you tell me to do.
Oh, I was,
No. So who do you have ready? Minute to look over it. But I have some little ones here that I've done. But come up and I'll look for the warrant.
Michelle Clark.
Michelle who?
Clark.
Michelle Clark, all right.
Hello. And after her, Your Honor, is Tanidra Gibbs. And Halbert,
Wait, what was Clark's first name?
Michelle.
Michelle?
It looks
Okay.
like spelled like Michael, but
Yeah, and the one you just said? All right, Ms. Clark, you're charged with criminal trespass.
Yeah. Your Honor.
they tell you what I say?
I don't think we'll start until we do it. I think we'll start until we do it. That's all you,
Your Honor,
that's all you freaking eat.
I wanna be one.
Ms. Clark, you're charged with criminal trespass, family violence. Looks like the allegation is that you took his phone.
This is what happened, no.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry, I didn't know.
The allegation is that you took his phone. Were y'all out somewhere? If you will unblock her, unmute her.
I was drinking, he had drunk a whole bottle of Don Julio, I had drove us home. We thought he was getting out of the car, he drove around the corner to the club,
I went there, I told the officer at the door, my husband's in there, he's been drinking, can't drive. He said, what did he have on? I described what he had on. He told me to go look on the patio. I went to the patio, then I went and looked, he was sitting down. He had 2 more cups of drinks, so I asked him for his keys. He's like, he cussed me out, called me out, kind of, you know, being disrespectful there. So then, I drink, don't worry about me. Yeah, I took his, I took his
Well, you should have
phone.
not worried about it because you got locked up.
I know, that's why I took his phone because he's on parole and I didn't want him to get a DUI. So we lived around the corner. I took his phone. He followed me. I gave him his phone as soon as he got out the car and I said, go upstairs and sleep it off. He said, no, I'm not sleeping it off. I'm gonna whoop your son's ass.
Okay.
And that's what happened. I wasn't being malicious.
Do y'all have minor children?
I have a 20-year-old son. I wouldn't be malicious taking this. And then the officers.
Has the
called-
police been called out to your house before?
No,
But before you answer, I can check. So has the police?
No.
Okay. So you don't have anywhere else to go?
no, that's my place. Me and my son. He just got out in April.
All right, so I'm gonna say no violent or harassing contact.
But I gave him his phone back as soon as he got out the car.
Next time you can't worry about stuff like that. You gotta let people. In your bond, I'm gonna set your bond at 500. Your preliminary hearing is December the 2nd at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about it. Let's see here. See your history again. You do have some history. Drug violation. Drug violation. It seems like y'all be doing stuff together.
No, that's a long story. Your partner dealt with his mother.
All right, I'm gonna let you out. Okay.
Okay,
I don't want to see you back.
I'm not coming back.
Is it yours?
And no harassing contact with Mr. Clark, okay?
I won't.
Good luck to you, ma'am.
Next, Your Honor, we have Gibbs. Oh, we're getting 5, I'm sorry. Khadijah Gibbs. And then Halbert.
Yes, it said it's out on bond.
Who did you say?
Speed it up. Tanidra Gibbs.
It says Miss Gibbs is out on bond. And they didn't send the paperwork, but her name is scratched out and it says out on bond.
Okay, that's fine.
Number 5, next up.
Miss Gibbs, is that your understanding?
Yes, ma'am. Family bonded me.
All right.
Halbert.
Oh, Miss-
Garcia.
all right, hand it to you. It's in there.
Garcia
What's your
Halbert.
name?
Garcia Halbert.
Oh, Halbert. You say Albert with an A?
Halbert with an H at the beginning.
What's your first name?
Garcia.
Garcia.
Garcia, Garthia, Your Honor. She's on today's. Is it today? No, she's on the second calendar. Halbert with an Halbert.
Is that one of the ones?
Not yesterday. She's today. She went after Hardy. She was right. She was right after Hardy.
All right, you're gonna have to hold on her.
It was bad. It was Howard.
Are we holding on Halbert?
Yes.
She was.
Nick? Your last name? Hardy? Hardy?
Say Hardy.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh. All right, Miss Hardy, hold on one moment. Your first name is Shaya?
Shania.
Shania? I see it's Shaaya. I don't see an N.
Yes, and I told them that at intake didn't matter.
Oh, okay. Salad. Salad, just go up.
Yeah.
Lots of eggs.
They don't eat today.
All right, so. Then whatever me. All right, so Miss Hardy.
Yes, ma'am.
Miss Hardy, you like to fight.
No, I promise I don't. I promise I don't.
Let's keep here. All right, so you're charged with battery, family violence. And so the allegation is that you were fighting, you gave her a black eye, you got a scratch on her left shoulder, you pulled out a portion of her hair. Do y'all reside together?
No, ma'am, I actually don't remember anything from that night at all. I woke
Say that
up.
again?
I said, no, ma'am, I actually don't remember anything from that night at all, and I told the judge that I literally woke up in jail, and I didn't know what I did until they read me my charges.
Why wouldn't you know?
We were out at a pool party. So I don't know if somebody in my club.
Y'all done been cutting up and setting up somebody's house.
We literally went out to celebrate us getting a new car. I don't even know how it's being started like that.
Well, you need to stop drinking or know your limits.
Yes, ma'am.
You told her the terroristic threats, you told her you was gonna beat her ass, but you text that. Allegedly.
I didn't know about those until I got here. So I don't know anything about those three charges that they were telling me about.
So these happen on different dates. And you got a given false name.
I don't know, sir. I don't tell it. It's intoxicating. I don't tell it.
You threw liquor inside I. Carter, you out of control. You need to get your life together. How old are you?
I'm 21.
Yes, you're too young for this. You are way, whatever trauma or whatever got you behaving this way, you need to figure it out.
I'm working on it.
All right, so, or just stay with us.
Oh, I got a 4-year-old. I wouldn't want to do that, but I really am working
And,
on
and
it.
do you want your 4-year-old acting like this?
I really don't. I talked to
And
her.
guess what happens? Now you acting like this, kids, they do what their parents do. And then they go out in public and do what their parents do. So now your 4-year-old gonna think it's okay to do things like punch people. That's how I get my way. I'm bad. And then she gonna end up in here or in juvenile first. You need to think about these things. These kids look up to us. And when we do it, they think it's okay for them to do it.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you employed?
No, I lost my job.
Say that again.
I lost my job.
That's why you're getting in all this trouble. An idle mind is a dangerous mind. Get your life together for your child. Hold on, I'm trying to write these bond amounts. Just tell everybody think they should just settle everything by punching and fighting and shooting and the criminal trespass, that was for that you should buy the house to fight them. All right, you're gonna run in the wrong house. I don't understand. All right, and so running in somebody's house, that's crazy. All right. You're gonna make it where you're gonna be sitting there and somebody else gonna be raising your children. You're gonna be missing out on recitals and dances and graduations. Keep going this way. Because all of this could have been something different. Your bond is $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $11,500. You out. You got somebody that's gonna borrow that much money to bond you out?
I can see, I can try.
Okay. But you know, y'all come in court and act like, oh my God, and then you go back and I see you again. I'm very disappointed, but hopefully you can get your life together for that baby. You cannot have any contact with Tatiana Mills. If you do, you're gonna come back into custody and you're not gonna get a bond. I've already made that notation. You may not return to 5420 Riverdale Road, and that's apartment F6, and that's in Atlanta. You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. You don't reside at any of these addresses, correct?
No, ma'am.
So you shouldn't be there, right? Go home once you get bonded out and figure out, talk to your daughter about how wrong this is and that this is not acceptable. And all she's going to do is become a convicted felon and be back there where people are hurting her and you're going to be on the outside hopefully, crying and where she is. RYDC or the juvenile, that's just as bad as where y'all are. All righty, take it for what it's worth. Have a good luck to you, ma'am. Who do we have next?
Kiara Howard.
Kiara Howard.
Say stop before you get to the. You gotta stop. You gotta go.
Hey, board and drop them off the inside.
All right, Ms. Howard, You are charged with criminal trespass. You damaged a Xbox. You can't have any violent or harassing contact with your husband?
Yes, it's my husband.
You don't have any criminal history. So no violent or harassing contact with Mr. Alex Howard.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, I'm gonna release you today. Make sure that the court has valid address for you so that when it's time to go to court, they'll be able to reach you so you can be in court and not get a bench warrant and come back into custody, okay?
If I live there with him, I'm okay to go there?
You can go back, but you cannot have any sort of issues with him. If they come back because police are called out again, you're gonna come into custody and you won't get a bond.
Gotcha. Thank you.
Right, so again, I don't know if you heard about my grandmother. If she said, if you can't get along, get apart. All right, good luck.
Thank you.
Who next? What's your name?
Natasha James.
James?
Yes.
I just need to call him out, but just looking.
James just met. James.
You saying James, James?
Yes, Your Honor. First name Natasha.
Is it, what's the, you have another name? You have a hyphenated name?
Middle name is Yvette.
Say that again?
My middle name is Yvette.
What's your first name?
Natasha.
Wow. I'm gonna take this down to him and take them back over to him.
She's on here, Natasha James.
Yes.
Wait, yesterday.
Hey, you get bottom? Yeah. I'll write it on top.
Saying y'all done?
Or today.
I'm gonna ask you that.
Here. All right, Ms. James, you're charged with DUI. Setting that bond at $3,000. You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Setting your preliminary hearing date for December the 2nd at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about it. And I cannot appoint you an attorney because you do not qualify. All right? Good luck to you, ma'am.
I'll be in there, so I saw her.
What's your name?
McKaylee Mack.
Michaela Mack.
McKaylee Mack.
All right, you're charged with DUI. That bond is set at 4,000. Improper lane change, 500. Fail to signal, 500. Hold on. You too young to be drinking anyway.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm gonna set your bond at 2,500. So your total bond is $3,500. Must not violate any laws while you're out on bond.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm setting your preliminary hearing date for December 2nd, but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that.
Yes, ma'am.
And are you employed?
Yes, ma'am. I work there. Well, I hope
All right.
I hope I still.
All right, and so I am going to go ahead and appoint an attorney to you. I am going to go ahead and appoint an attorney to you. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
You too. Who's next?
Itaka Moore.
You say more?
Yes, ma'am.
This way.
I don't see Miss Moore. If you're there. You said more?
Itaka Moore. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I don't. El Tasa.
Eltaka.
Okay, yeah, I have it now. It's like you have no prior criminal history.
Yes, ma'am.
We are too.
One second.
We have some that has any problem. Not even in there for you. But it's not even in there. I'll share. Bad.
I'll get him the first cruise on. I'll give him the first cruise on.
Ms. Moore, do you need some substance abuse
No, ma'am.
treatment?
No, ma'am.
So you're charged with contributing to the delinquency of a minor. I'm gonna presume that that's from letting your grandson borrow the jacket that had the drugs in it. You said bond 2,000 reckless for sure. 3,000. Possession of marijuana less than an ounce. 500. Possession. This is possession of the crack cocaine. If you doing crack cocaine, you need assistance. That ain't something you can do recreationally.
I wasn't doing it, ma'am.
I'm sorry,
I wasn't doing it. It wasn't my jacket.
you just taking the rap?
Well, the guy left the jacket on my chair. I took the chair in the house. It started raining. I did not know anything was in it. My grandson grabbed the jacket the next morning and went to school. I don't do no crack.
Right.
But then you went back to the store and said, where is it? So you knew it was in
No,
there.
I went to the school when
I mean, to the school.
he came and beat on my door and said, "Where's my jacket?" I said, "My grandson must have wore it. I don't see it. It was on the chair." So he said weed and drugs was in it. That's when I went back to the school and talked to the principal.
You can't have those type of people around. All righty. You guys can work it out upstairs. Your bond is gonna be 3, 6, 7, 8, 8,500. I'm only giving you that low bond because you don't have a criminal history.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, let me do that at 2. Gonna be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's gonna be 7,500. All right, good luck to you. Well, let me see if I'm gonna appoint you an attorney. Yes, I am gonna appoint you an attorney. If you don't bond out, your preliminary hearing is scheduled for December the 1st. Okay, good luck to you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Fisher. Favors. Grab your card for me. You can start down here and sit.
What's your name?
Harlem or? Hands out to me.
Oh, my gosh.
Oh, all right. Now, I saw your name before.
Something like you have to read on it.
How you doing, Rita?
I wanna do all that, but also, bro, we was like, yo, like, so hold it.
I'm probably gonna.
No.
All right, give me somebody else.
We only have two more females left, Orange, and we can't locate her paperwork. What's your name? Calvert.
You said Halbert?
Calvert and Orange are the last two females.
I have it's Halbert? Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, I have her.
So come on, Miss Calvert. Miss Orange, we gotta figure out what's going on with your paperwork.
This is Orange. She said Arnold.
No, Orange, like
Oh,
orange.
I'm sorry.
Orange.
I'm telling you, yeah, this is rough today.
That's okay, Your Honor.
So, all right, so for Ms. Halbert, is that who I have in front of me?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're charged with giving false name. I'm gonna release you today. It does appear that you qualify for a court-appointed attorney, so I am going to appoint one to you. If you could please sign that waiver that the deputy has.
Yes,
You
Your
will
Honor.
be released today. Make sure you go to court once you receive your notice, all right?
Yes, ma'am, I will. May I speak?
Uh-huh.
I just want to note that I will be filing a civil rights violation lawsuit in U.S. Federal Court, the Northern District of Georgia, District Atlanta, because the officers did not provide me medical care. I was in the emergency room and was arrested after being discharged. Prescriptions, I was laying on the ground and they dragged me out by all fours rather than getting me medical assistance. The hospital was prepared to assist me medically, and the white officer refused to allow that, instead dragged me out by all fours and threw me in and arrested me on charges that I don't even understand why I was charged with.
Well, you were charged with giving a false name and date of birth. It says you provided the name Giovanni.
That is my sister. I was explaining to them, my sister lives in Birmingham, that I was trying to get traveler's aid to get there. I'm literally wearing 2 wristbands from the hospital with my name and age on it. I couldn't have provided them false information if I wanted to. I'm wearing the hospital bands as we speak.
Okay, well, that's certainly your option to do whatever it is to protect your rights and
Yes, ma'am.
get justice. So you make sure you do that. I'm gonna actually release you today. So that's,
Thank you, Your
that's the start to your justice.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All
I'm
righty,
sorry,
good
what
luck
was
to
your
you.
name?
Judge Case Johnson,
Thank you, Judge Johnson.
you're welcome.
All right.
All right, Orange.
Thank you, madam. When it would be in it. Get that ink from
How old are you, ma'am?
17.
And you cutting up like this? The allegation that you broke a glass mirror, you picked up the glass, held it at your mom like you were gonna cut her?
Oh, man.
To keep her from disciplining you?
Can I speak?
Yes, certainly.
You shouldn't say anything that's gonna be used against you, so just.
Go ahead. I'm listening.
I picked up the glass and she could start hitting me. Hitting me in the room. Hitting me with the broom when I picked up the mirror. She started hitting me. I wasn't gonna do nothing to her.
I'm sorry, there's a lady in here threatening me. Sorry, she was threatening me.
Come on, hey, excuse me.
Hey.
Come on.
Why was she hitting you?
Hey, get in the
Because we was arguing over a surgery.
Over what?
A charger.
Grab your sandwich, let's go. Hands on your back. Still going to, it take the 4 people on six.
Which charger was it?
It was my friend. She let me borrow it. As I've told her multiple times, what's her charger? I have to give it back to a friend.
One back. Hey, so look, listen up, listen up, listen up.
My mother told me to do something, I did it. The criminal trespass, I'm gonna set 1,000, simple assault, 1,000. Your total bond is $2,000. Heather Edmond is your mother,
Yes, ma'am.
and y'all reside together? Y'all live together?
Yes, ma'am.
You don't have anywhere else to go?
Well, I can ask my grandma, but I don't know. But I don't have nobody to bomb me out. Or maybe I could get somebody to come get me, but I don't have nobody to bomb me out.
It's the first time the police been called out?
Is this the first time?
Mhm.
No, ma'am.
Right. How many times have the police been called out?
Since I've been on, saying it have not been called, so
Huh?
once, once, since I got on probation,
All right.
just now.
Seems like this is the only, you don't have any prior criminal history. What, are you in school?
Yes, ma'am.
What, I'm going to ask you what school. And you go to school from your mom's house.
Yes.
You go to school every day?
Yes, ma'am.
You have decent grades?
Yes, ma'am. The only class I'm feeling is gym right now.
Say that again. What'd you say?
The only class I'm feeling now is gym, but all my other classes are good. They up to mark.
I put on here no violent or harassing contact with your mom. If you feel that your mom is doing something that is beyond parent discipline, then that needs to be communicated. But nowadays, I don't know what's wrong with y'all youngsters. But if the police are called again, where you've been disrespectful or violent toward your mom, you're gonna be locked up and you're not gonna get a bond. You got to miss all your classes, graduation, everything, all right? Surely you don't want that. All right. Good luck. I am gonna appoint an attorney to you. Your preliminary hearing is scheduled for December the 2nd a.m. Hopefully somebody will bond you out. All right.
This is Ms. Clark. I'm sorry, Your Honor. Can we please clarify, does she have a $500 bond or you're signing her out? She's confused.
Yeah, wait, hold, let me write this down.
Okay. Thank you so much. Just go right up to that door right there.
Yeah.
So I have no 56.
Oh, you have the paperwork now. It's a UJR. She's gonna be released. You're gonna be released.
Yeah, okay. We're gonna start with the males. Come right over this.
All right, who's next?
We have the males, it's gonna be Bradley first.
All right.
When she calls your name, gentlemen, come up here and sit on this bench. When one man steps away from the judge, somebody else step right up.
Bradley first, so.
Bradley. Y'all come on. Okay, go right this way.
What's your name, sir?
Darian Bradley.
Mr. Bradley, you're charged with theft by shoplifting. That bond is set at $3,500. You cannot return to that Home Depot. This man, 2031 Mount Zion Road in Morrow, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for December 1st, but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about. And I've also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
What's your name?
Anthony Phillips, ma'am.
Anthony. Wait, just tell me your last.
You would break it up. Phillips.
Phillips. Oh, we going out of order? Hold on, let me find it.
How's your day going, ma'am?
All right, Mr. Phillips, you're charged with battery, family violence. That bond is set at 3,000. Criminal trespass, 3,000. Terroristic threats, 3,000. Harassing phone calls, 3,000. Your total bond is $12,000. You must stay away from Miranda Solomon, and you may not return to 10908 Hondo Court in Hampton, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Do you understand it? Special conditions of your bond.
I just didn't get the total amount now. I haven't played it right.
It's 12,000.
With that, okay.
Let me see if you have any of these felonies. Terroristic threat. All righty, so your preliminary hearing is December the 2nd at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that.
All right.
And I am appointing an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Walking now? No, somebody get up. Oh, all right. We can go ahead and back it out. It won't go into everything's done.
Sounds good.
All right, what's your name?
Miguel Chadwick, last name Chadwick. Steve Brown, you can get out there. She's gonna tell you.
All right.
You say Chadwick?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Chadwick, you're charged with violation of Georgia Controlled Substance Act. I've set that bond at 2,000. Possession of a Schedule I drug, 2,000, for a total bond of $4,000. Must not violate any out on bond. Your preliminary hearing is December 1st at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And it appears that you do qualify for a court-appointed attorney, so I am appointing one to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
All the way down. Go ahead.
What's your name?
Harry Clark.
Right, Mr. Clark, you're charged with failure to make a report. It's really duty to report and hit and run. Failure to report, that bond is set at 500. Hit and run. No injuries. I've set that bond at 2,000. The total bond is $3,000. You must not violate law. You're on a hearing date for December the 2nd at 8:30 a.m. And I'm also appointing an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir. That bond again is 3,000.
Okay, thank you.
All right. What's your name?
Alan Goodine.
What's the last name?
Goodine, G-O.
Goodine. All right, Mr. Goodine. You are charged with obstruction, driving on suspended license, no lights, and driving on suspended, obstruction, driving while license suspended, no tail light, and invalid insurance. Hold on. Thank you.
It's new. So,
Yeah, we can give them some. Okay, thank
All right. All right, Mr. Gooddown, I'm gonna release you today. Make sure the court has a good number for you. Go ahead and sign that waiver for me, all right?
Okay,
I don't want to see you back. Stop driving with no license.
okay.
Was that your car?
No,
You got to make sure when you're driving people's car that they have valid insurance, all right?
all right.
Good luck to you, sir. Make sure you sign the waiver. What's your name?
Charles Jackson.
Jackson?
His ma'am.
Charles Jackson. Mr. Jackson, you're charged with battery. That bond is at 3,000. The false imprisonment, I've dismissed that charge, so your bond is $3,000. You cannot have any violent or harassing contact with your daughter, Miss Jackson. All
Yeah.
right, you understand that? But I did dismiss that false imprisonment.
Yeah, ma'am.
Your preliminary hearing is December the 2nd at 8:30 a.m., but if you bond out, also going to appoint an attorney to you.
Thank you.
All righty. Good luck to you, sir. Just gotta be careful with how you discipline. All right.
Right, thank you.
All righty.
Yeah.
Go ahead, babe.
Oh, they were.
What's your name?
I know, McCoy. Jonathan McCoy.
Last name is Gordon
McCoy, MCCOY.
McCoy.
Hey,
Oh, yes, sir.
what's going on? Listen.
You look out the way up there.
All right, Mr. McCoy, you're charged with aggravated assault. That bond is set at 15,000. Terroristic threats 8,000. Battery 5,000. Your total bond is $28,000. You must stay away from Michaela Cooper, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Do you reside in the same home with Ms. Cooper?
No,
Then you shouldn't have any problems not having any contact with her. Your preliminary hearing is December 1st at 8:30 a.m. You do not qualify for a court appointment, but at any time in the future, something happens because of this, you can request a court appointed attorney, all right? All right, good luck to you, sir. What's your name?
Jacob Pierce.
Pierce
Yes, ma'am.
with a P.
Yes, ma'am. Go back to where you was at. Remember the-
And then the simple math, one of the writers in jail. You gave him a bond. I changed that one. That's fine. You don't leave it.
Hold on.
They let us.
Oh, here.
My bad. That ball headed dude, one of the beard. Huh? So because, yeah, the one.
All right. Mr. Pierce, you're charged with battery family violence. I've set that bond at $12,000.
That's not.
You may not have any contact with Dora Heredera. Looks like you're out on bond for kidnapping. Your preliminary hearing is December the 2nd at 8:30 a.m., but you are not to have any contact with Ms. Heredera.
How about my?
It appears that you do qualify for a court-appointed attorney. Do y'all reside together?
No, no.
Right, and say that. Whose house did it happen at? It says you live at the Homestead address,
Yes, ma'am.
and it happened at the Homestead address?
Yes, ma'am.
She says she don't live here. Okay. All righty. Your preliminary hearing is scheduled for December 2nd.
Yes, ma'am. So I get a bond on my,
12,000.
okay, and how about my probation violation?
I don't deal with that today.
Thank you.
All right. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Warren Patterson.
Patterson?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Patterson, you're charged with DUI. I've set that bond at 3,500. You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Your preliminary hearing is December 2nd, but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And you do not qualify for a court-appointed attorney, so I cannot appoint one. Good luck to you, sir.
Okay.
What's your name?
Gerald Porter.
Gordon?
Porter.
Porter? All right, Mr. Porter, you're charged with simple assault, family violence. That bond is set at 6,000. You can have no contact with Trayton West, and you cannot return to the 7309 Mockingbird Trail in Riverdale. And you must not violate any law while you're out on bond.
Okay,
I've set your preliminary hearing date for December the 2nd at 8:30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And I've also appointed an attorney to you. Again, your bond is 6,000. Good luck to you, sir.
Yeah, man, I got a question. I don't even know who that person is. I don't recall that name to the point of I never heard that.
All right, it says,
That ain't come out this situation happened on Halloween.
it says that you placed Trayton West in reasonable apprehension of immediately receiving a violent injury, that's your roommate.
Know that
You don't
nigga?
know your roommate?
No, I don't know that nigga. It might be a nigga that stay upstairs that I be getting an argument with. I never touched the nigga from.
Okay, well, and it says they are both roommates at this location. You said you would fuck him up, clenching your right fist, walking up to him in an aggressive manner. Said he's in fear of his life. You were going to hit him.
First, I ain't say none of that. And second, his wife said that I text her telling her I'm sorry, dude. First off, I don't even got none of y'all.
Problem you have is you're out on bond for aggravated stalking.
That was on my uncle.
You know what? So, but that's what happens when you do other stuff. You may not be doing certain things, but it catches back up with you. But at any rate, you can't have any more contact and you got to find somewhere else to stay.
I don't stay at that location.
Okay, well then you can't go back to that location. That makes it even easier. On the 6,000.
Thank you.
Good luck to you, sir.
You too.
Hey, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. What's your name?
Maurice Richards.
Richardson?
Richards.
Richard. Last name is Richard?
Yes, that's correct.
What? All right, Mr. Richards. Is that Maurice Richards?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
All right, you're charged with battery family violence. That bond is set at 5,000. Stay away from Santricia Davis, and you may not return to
Ma'am,
13. Yes?
can I please interrupt? Go ahead. I'll let you.
Go.
Okay. Santricia Davis, I've been trying to help her to get on her feet with her children. I live there. I pay all my rent. I don't ask them to pay nothing. They've been staying with me for quite a while, and it's stressful. And she drinks. She's bipolar, and she's got schizophrenia. And with the reason why what's my charge again?
Battery?
Why I have the battery charge, because after she finished smashing up my TVs and had the weapon in her hand, she ran out the door to go smash my truck. I didn't go to harm her or nothing.
How do you know this young lady?
She was my neighbor in the apartments that I lived prior to coming over here. She and I befriended each other, and she's not my girlfriend. She's a friend. I've helped her son. He was who was in school. I helped him to stay with me so he can go to finish high school. Her 11-year-old daughter, I helped him. I teach her math and stuff like that. Her older daughter and her girlfriend at one time stayed with me just because I thought they were gonna all get apartment together and get out. That didn't work, So I've been going through a lot, Your Honor, and I didn't do anything to have. I don't have a police record. It's my third country, and I have no police record at all. I'm not a violent dude. I don't harm women, so I don't even think that $500 $5,000 is. I was at work. She smashed up my stuff. I didn't even when I came in, I didn't say anything to her. I sat down, I looked around, I was calm. I tried to make sure I handled myself like a responsible person. So I didn't go to do anything wrong to Miss Davis. I just didn't want Miss Davis to wreck my truck, because I work for myself, and that's what I do. I use my truck to work, and even today, my rent is due today. I have the money, but I'm trying to get out of here so I can go pay my rent. They don't have to worry about rent. I take them everywhere. You know what I mean? I take her to work. She's got a job at McDonald's as
Help me find Miss Richards' criminal history.
Here's Miss Davis, so he's out.
So were both of y'all arrested?
Yes, I heard her case earlier. And when I was in the detention, I was listening, I was ear hustling, and I heard that she said she's there, and you told her she couldn't go back to the resident, and then you asked her about the kids and all that. But this is my resident; it's not their resident. If I leave, they can't pay. They're not gonna pay no rent. It's my apartment.
Have y'all already sent back Miss Davis?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah, okay. So the allegation that she tore up, she put something in a sock and busted out all the TVs. Okay.
Yeah, she took.
And then, hold on, and the allegation against you is that you use both of your hands to restrain her to the ground?
No, that's not true. Miss Davis, after
That's true if she's running around destroying property.
yes, after she destroyed my two TVs, she went outside and hit my driver's side window twice, and it didn't bust. You know, and then I approached her. She started swinging at me. I grabbed her arm and I flipped her on the ground and to get the weapon away from her. And even then, we were on the ground. I had to pull, and the little ball came out the socket. The hard metal ball came out the socket.
Hold on, Yate, can you please find his criminal history for me?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor. The name again?
Maurice L.
Richards.
Richards.
It looks like I signed this one yesterday. And so how many children lives in the house?
Right now, two of her children, an 11-year-old, a 12-year-old, and a 8-year-old, age 18 in September.
So how y'all gonna, so what are you gonna do? How are y'all gonna coexist in this house?
Well, ma'am, I'm not a violent person. I want her to get out. I've been telling her I've got into this to help her. I don't want to pour a big pail of milk and then kick it over. So I was trying to help her she was getting her money together. She's got a good job so they can get an apartment. She knows I'm uncomfortable, you know? Yeah, because it's hard after raising my children, you know, my 28 and my 31-year-old children, you know, and them.
All right, Mr. Richards, hold tight. Let him step back. Let me look at if he doesn't have any criminal history, I'm gonna do something different. But I need to hold one moment while she looked that up.
Yes, ma'am.
Just step back for just one moment.
Yes, ma'am.
Go to the end. It's gonna sit right in here until. She's there right there.
What's your name?
Anthony Scott.
Yeah, black.
Mr. Scott, you're charged with financial card fraud. That bond is set at $3,000. Identity fraud, $2,000. Your total bond is $5,000. You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Your preliminary hearing is December 1st at 8:30 a.m. And I'm also going to appoint an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir. Your bond is $5,000.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Woman Thompson.
Mr. Thompson, you're pointing a gun at another. That bond is $8,000. Battery, $3,000. Your total bond is $11,000. You may not have any contact with Syria Alford or Latoya Alford, nor can you return to 4697 Ryan Road in Conley, Georgia, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Do you reside there?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can go back, but only while accompanied by law enforcement to pick up your personal belongings. Your preliminary hearing is December the 2nd, but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And I have appointed an attorney to you. You're $1,000.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good luck.
W. Thompson,
Woman Thompson.
so you got a pin number?
Mhm.
You need to set up a pin, all right?
What's your name?
Right here, follow.
Jamon Thompson.
Mr. Shaman, you're charged with DUI. That bond is set at $3,000. Improper lane change, $500 for a total bond of $3,500. Your preliminary hearing is December the 2nd, but if you're able to bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And I've also appointed an attorney to you. So that's $3,500. Good luck to you, sir.
Before I go, can I ask you a question?
Uh-huh.
So my plan is when I do get out, I do plan on taking a DUI class, like just get the ball rolling. Is there
Right.
that you would recommend that I do ahead of time when I do get out?
Yes. Yes, sir. Go ahead and start doing those things.
Anything else? Just off top?
Well, I appointed an attorney to you, so speak to your attorney about it.
Okay, thank you.
What's your name?
Velasquez, Jason.
You didn't say the pin number either, right? Okay, but you got your pin number. Just follow that gentleman.
No.
Mr. Vasquez, you're charged with theft by shoplifting. That bond is set at 1,500. Obstruction, 1,000. Your total bond is $2,500. You may not return to the Walmart at 6065 Jonesboro Road in Morrow, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. I've set your preliminary hearing date for December the 2nd at 8:30 a.m. and I've also appointed an attorney to you. Your bond is $2,500. Good luck to you, sir.
You know if I have a hold out of any other counties?
I have no idea.
Okay.
You can't look up your holds, but the opposite down, they have them.
What's your name?
Woolrich Joshan.
Say that last name again.
Woolrich.
Woolridge, okay.
Ma'am.
All right, Mr. Woolridge, you're charged with
Right.
erratic lane change. That bond is set at 1,000. I'm gonna let you, it looks like you're still on probation in Fulton County, but this is just a traffic citation, so I'm gonna give you a bond.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Your preliminary hearing is December the 2nd. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And it says you do not qualify for a court-appointed attorney. So I cannot appoint one. Your bond again is $1,000. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Don't move. Go ahead.
What's your name, sir?
Woolrich.
Okay. You better take a set of your pin number, okay? Can you look it up?
What's your name?
Ibrahim Cisse.
What's the last?
ISSE Cisse.
Okay. So you are charged with no insurance and possession of marijuana less than an ounce. I'm gonna go ahead and release you today, but make sure the court has a valid number on you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're gonna sign that waiver for me that they're gonna give you. You do qualify for a court-appointed attorney. You don't have a criminal history, so you'll be released today, okay? Back. All right, how old are you?
19.
19?
Yes, now.
Don't drive cars. You can't, was this somebody else's car?
No, it was my car. This is my first car.
Okay. All right. Well, good luck to you, sir. We don't want to see you start coming back here. All righty.
Thank
You.
What's your name?
Mr. Clark, Lamont Clark.
Clark?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Clark, you're charged with battery, family violence.
Yeah, I need to understand on who am I charged with this?
Thank you. Did you set your pin number already? Okay. You will go back to how many for?
It says that you,
No. What?
Mr. Clark, returned home after consuming alcohol, engaged in an argument with his wife. You escalated physical altercation between yourself and the stepson. Mr. Long advised that when Mr. Clark entered the residence, he approached Mr. Long near his bedroom door and grabbed him by the neck, leaving scratches and bruises to his neck. Pulled one of his dreadlocks out. He got a bruise to his lip. That you guys live in the same household.
This is my stepson, man. And listen, I'm so oblivious to what you just told me, like I told the police last night. Man, this man never had no altercation. Man, his mom was arguing. I went to do my bags, and I kind of try to move around my way, right? and he tried to rush me and I pushed him away. That was the end of it. So when they saying something is wrong with him, like I told, I'm the one who called the police. But I needed my stuff. I'm from Kansas City. I needed my stuff to get up out that house. All my property was in the front room. I was trying to get my stuff and put it in my car and go to my other spot just to alleviate this situation. Because it all started at the Beltline earlier that day, right? Then I left there and went to All In. I think I was all around the corner, All In, just trying to take a break from her. She came around to All In and took my phone, right? So I had to go home at that point. My phone got my Cash App on, everything on. I have nothing, no idea, none of that. Makes sense to you? So I didn't go home, man, with the pretense that I'm about to argue with her, fight with him, or any of that type of stuff. I'm sorry.
All right, you can't go back to that location, the 2465.
I can't hear you.
You can't go back to 2465 Richardson Parkway.
That's my parole. That's where my parole at.
Is he and the son live?
Yeah, but he don't even live there. It's me and my wife. That's the issue. They stole my. It's a multitude of different things. But I'm not compatible with him, man. And I got a brother who lives in Lithonia anyway, so it don't much matter.
Yeah, you can't go back to that location.
Okay.
That's in what city?
It's in Morrow. I think that's Morrow. But all my property there, my car, my jewelry, everything is there.
Okay, right. So what you can do is you contact the sheriff's office and you can go back and they'll stand by while you get everything.
Okay, because that's what I was trying to do last night, man. I swear, that's all I was trying to do.
Okay. All right. Well, I've set your bond at 2,000, but you can't go back there and you can't have any contact with the stepson, Mr. Long.
Hey, it's 2,000 is what? Is it 20%? What is it?
$200 and something out, $300 to get out.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank
All
you.
right. Good luck.
Go back. Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
you can go back.
Okay, right. I go in the corner.
What's your name?
Patrick.
What is it?
Patrick.
Last name is Patrick?
No, my first name is Patrick.
What's your last name?
Cash.
What is it?
Patrick Eaton.
I'm about to go.
All right, Mr. Eden, you're charged with battery, family violence. Can't nobody keep their hands to themselves. Everybody want to fight.
Yeah, I got provoked. I'm sorry. But I'll let you do your due diligence.
And you're out on probation for another battery. I mean, out on bond.
I'm out on bond.
Yes.
Okay.
In October 29th, you were arrested by CCPD for simple battery and criminal damage to property. And now you're back again, October the 2nd for battery, family violence. Do you need anger management?
October the 2nd, what you mean?
On your criminal history, unless somebody using your name.
Yeah, somebody using. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Somebody.
All right. So you're charged with battery, family violence. Mr. Eden stated that during an argument, Patrick became irate, yelled in his face, struck him multiple times with his fist, causing him to fall to the ground. He hurt his leg. This is your dad?
Yeah.
The victim is your dad?
Yes. He started cussing at me, but he did. I have the right to remain silent. I get that anything that I say.
You do. All right.
Yes.
So I'm gonna set your bond. I'm gonna set your bond at 5,000.
Okay.
You cannot have any contact with your father, Mashawn Cortez Eden.
I just
Let's
have
see.
I have my grandmother that passed away. She bought that car for me. And it's in my name. I wrote it's already in my name. I passed over the key and be able to get my house. Because I got
If
stuff.
you reside there, you can go back by only when accompanied by law enforcement to pick up your personal belongings. So your bond is set at 5,000.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm taking you out of that home,
Okay.
so you cannot return to.
I do have a mother though. You look like my mom because she got the same type of hair like you. But
Like who?
like you, she rocks a mohawk. But I could call her and see if I could have that arranged, or I could have go
Well,
into.
once you get out, you figure all of that out.
Okay.
All right. And
Yes.
then I am going to appoint an attorney to you. So you'll have an attorney. If you don't bond out, your preliminary hearing is December the 2nd. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank
Good
you.
luck to you. All right.
Is that December the 2nd?
December the 2nd is your next court date.
Okay.
All right. What's your name?
Austin Hammers.
Mr. Harris.
Hammers.
Hammers? Oh, Hammers.
Yes, ma'am.
Another one. I don't know why everybody want to fight.
Yeah, when it's about my kids, I'm sorry, but I gotta take care of my kids.
But I'm sure there's other ways to do that.
You're fully correct about that.
Elbowing and busting the lip of Nakata Thompson in the mouth. Who is she?
My wife,
So you're gonna bust your wife in the mouth over your kids?
I didn't bust her in the mouth at all. I got a camera in my house for that.
I don't know why people think, or men think, you're already stronger than them. It's okay to put your hand. That's somebody's child. What if somebody put their hands on your daughter? Bust your daughter in the mouth.
I never put my hand. That's why I have a
I'm
camera.
just asking. Just take that away. What if?
If yes, it would be an issue. I fully understand it.
It would be. You would be very upset, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
I don't know why. I don't know. All right. So, charged with battery. Why don't you have a job?
You said why don't I? I'm a full-time student. I'm a student.
Huh?
I'm a student
Where at?
at UEI,
What's that?
vocational training school in Morrow.
How you live? With your wife?
Yes, ma'am.
The one that you bust in the face?
I ain't bust her in the face, but yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So let me look at your criminal history. You got a previous theft by shoplifting. I don't see, wait a minute before I say that. I don't see any recent violence. Let's see. Seems like you got a lot of theft charges. Yeah.
I believe I only have one. Out of Gwinnett County.
How many children live in the house?
Just one.
Do you have anywhere else you can go?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Because I'm taking you out this home. And that is 3384 Mount Zion Road. And you have a son or a daughter?
I have all son. All of my kids are sons.
So you want to teach him that he should put his hands on women?
No, I don't
Okay.
never put my hands on.
Okay. And is this Morrow?
Yes, no, it's Stockbridge. Stockbridge.
Stockbridge, all right. All right, so your bond is set at you cannot have any contact with Ms. Townsend, and you cannot return to that home, 3384 Mount Zion Road, apartment 3206 in Stockbridge. You must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. You can go back to the house to get your personal belongings, but you must be accompanied by law enforcement. And I'm also appointing an attorney to you, all right?
Can you repeat the bond? I didn't, it cut out.
5,000.
All right.
Good luck to you, sir. What's your name?
They just,
Say that, something Jackson? Daniel Jackson? All right, Mr. Jackson, you're charged with aggravated assault. I have denied your bond. Your preliminary hearing is December 1st at 8:30 a.m. And I'm also appointing an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir. What's your name?
Terry Lewis.
Lewis?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, Miss Val was on the phone. Was she not called them? Who is her, all right, baby, you know? I thought she said it.
She put it up.
Cause they were from having.
All right, hold on. I need to review his paperwork. Hold on one moment.
Thanks, so it's not fresh. Cause they don't make it. Stack it all up. Stack it, yeah, stack it all up, put trash on top. Say.
All right, Mr. Lewis, basically the allegation is that you shot at somebody's dog and they were, you can unmute him. You shot at somebody's dog
I was just defending myself, Your Honor.
from the dog?
Yes,
What kind of dog was it?
blue eye pit.
Was it coming at you?
Yes, me and the young lady got into an argument. I asked her to stop bringing her dog around there to do his business because I got a grandbaby. And she said, well, what's it to me? So I went back in my house, came back out to bring my car. She came back around there with the dog and she had a gun in her waistband. So I know I did wrong. I came out with mine and she let go of the dog on me. So I shot a warning shot in the ground.
Okay, him too, 104, so. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. You got enough stuff, you got enough seconds? Yeah, it should be 5 people, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's your second? Because he is, his name is what, Daryl John. Okay. Who would they say? They said they never, they said they out or Mr.
For the conduct, I'm doing 1,000. Aggravated assault, I'm gonna do 5,000. 3,000. Tampering with evidence, 3,000. Your total bond is 12,000. You cannot have any contact with Miss Tani Miller, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. Your preliminary hearing date is December the 11th, but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And I've also appointed an attorney to you. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Maybe you'll sandwich right there, sir.
Look on
Yeah, I'll
Phoenix.
sign.
Oh.
What's your name?
Oh, yeah, McDaniel.
Right. What's your last name?
McDaniel.
McDaniel?
Oh.
Did he get up? The glass, yeah, the glass there. And you good to go.
Yeah. Criminal history. You're charged with armed robbery.
You gotta meet him, he's gonna be out in the hallway by now.
Down Jones.
Jay, I mean, the interview, John.
There's only 2.
So you took allegedly 3 pairs of sneakers and a hoodie, the property of some juveniles, while in possession of a handgun. You put it in their face. You took the items. How old are you, sir?
I'm 18. No, ma'am, I didn't have no hand.
That was a section 6.
Maybe on the streets now it's cool to be in prison, away from your family, eating disgusting food, drinking toilet water, laying on the ground. Maybe that's cool now on the outside.
Oh, no, that's not cool.
Jumped out of the bushes and robbed them at gunpoint. All right. So I'm not granting you a bond. Definitely a threat to the community. Giving you 5,000 on the theft by taking. Your bond is denied. It's a 1761. Your preliminary hearing is December the 1st. Excuse me, and I am appointing an attorney to you. Get out. Get your own. Stop robbing people. Go to work. Have your own stuff. Don't start this. Prison is not where you want to be. And I don't see a previous criminal history on here. So don't start now.
I don't have one.
Huh?
I don't have one. I didn't even rob nobody.
Say that again.
So I don't have one. I ain't even robbed nobody.
No, you don't have a previous criminal history at all. So, but at any rate, good luck to you, sir.
Go all the way down the hall, hop on the first elevator. It's gonna take you up to housing unit 4.
What's your name?
Irrelevant.
What is it?
Edward Oliver?
Oliver.
Yes.
You're charged with false imprisonment and battery. Let me look at your criminal history. You're out on bond for battery and false imprisonment. And now the same thing again. It's probably the same victim. That you held Miss Selma after she repeatedly stated to let her go during the altercation by holding her in a bear hug, restricting her from being able to leave the incident location. She said she was requesting to be let go. Continued her without will, against her will. She was scratching and biting, trying to get away from you. You know why you need to get some anger management.
Ma'am, it's my wife. She struggles with bipolar depression. She gets really angry when we're like getting into arguments and stuff. And she
Okay,
like,
well, you can't hold her.
yeah, but when we have these arguments, she likes to leave and go drink. And with the bipolar depression, her mental health decline. Like,
Well, this not working for you because God done went through this again. After a while, she gonna get you locked up for a long time.
I talked to the therapist here, and if you allow it, I want to do therapy with her, or if not, do it by myself to like.
Yeah, you can do it by yourself. I can't force her.
Yeah, that's what if she would allow it, but really I'm doing it for me just so I can like
She's doing things that she knows gonna cause her mental distress. You cannot control that. You can't control her. Only thing you can do is control yourself. And if you keep getting locked up over this wife you're trying to protect so hard. And I get that, but not to the sake of your freedom.
I understand that, but I've seen her decline and it hurts me to see her go.
Okay, you know what? Well, you just stay right there with her. And then the next time y'all fight, maybe you hit her a unlucky place and she end up brain dead, or you hit her and she end up dies, or she tries to stab you and then you turn the knife and you take it and end up stabbing. All of these scenarios happens all the time. I know you think it won't happen to you, but it happens every day. So if you want to take that chance.
So I was talking about asking to go to therapy with her.
Things happen and it escalates. And it seems like I've seen this pattern before. It keeps happening and it's going to escalate. I'm gonna take you out of this house.
I don't live there. I live with my mom. I just pay her rent.
Well, you don't need to go back over there.
Yes, ma'am.
And I bet your mom say that.
Yeah. After this, I don't think I'm willing to be back with her unless there is that therapy aspect to get
Right.
so because I don't think I
Gotta-
can
you got
me to cut out.
you got to heal yourself before you can really love.
Yes, ma'am. That's what I talked to the therapist about yesterday.
Your bond is 8,000. You can't go back to that location. Your preliminary hearing is December the 1st, but if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And I am going to also appoint an attorney to you. I wish you so much luck. I hope that you can figure out. She's going to have to help herself before she can be in any sort of relationship. All right. So if you want to continue being in jeopardy, that's on you.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you, sir.
You want the sandwich?
The camera.
Oh, I thought my. Hold on one sec.
You don't have to push no buttons. The elevator gonna take you up. I might need to walk down and see. Even if we got two people, Anthony Jones and John. They never have.
You know, I'll be able to see the news. That's what we
What's your name, sir?
Maurice Richards.
Did we find Mr. Richards' criminal history?
Just waiting on the jail to send me. See.
We don't have it just yet, so if he can go back.
Oh, what's that?
Okay, Jones, come on.
That's all they had.
It's just an inquiry. Do I have Pierre or Perez or Tony Hibbler?
They B&B, Tony Hibbler, B&B.
OTB?
Yes.
He went,
So Tony Tibbler is OTB?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then what about Pierre? OTB?
Pierre went. Yeah, Pierre went. Jacob Pierce?
I don't think you did here.
I didn't do Pierre.
Wait, Pierre.
But I'm releasing him anyway. So, and then what about Holmes? Desmond Holmes.
He's on the way.
Okay. And then what about Daryl Jones?
Right in front of you.
Are you Daryl Jones?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. I'm gonna trespass. You can't go back to that gas station. That's at 599 Highway 138, okay? You cannot return there. All right?
Well, where should I go and stuff? Cause they not telling me nothing. All I was trying to do is get something to eat. I've been trying to eat. I've been lacking food. I've been at the hospital and everything.
Jones. That's not what this is about, court.
I'm not sure, sir, but what I am gonna do is appoint you an attorney and see if they can get you some assistance, okay? All right, your bond is set. I'm gonna set your bond at 1,000. Good luck to you, sir.
I'll go back to out of here, man. That was just a video. Oh, I was talking to me, man.
I'm trying to get help for myself and shit. Niggas always hating on me and shit. Wait.
Okay, Yana, we're waiting on Holmes
She keeping on.
and Anthony Jones. Well, they're coming in now, Yana.
Just let, we looking for Richards. We waiting on Richards still.
He didn't call you. Take- Which one do you want first, Yana? Holmes or
Right,
Anthony
we
Jones?
did. Wait, hold on. Yeah, that one. Juan Perez.
No, he already went, Yana. That was the Mexican guys,
Okay.
Spanish guys. Sorry.
And then, now I didn't see Daisha Rogers. But I'm letting her out, but I didn't see her.
Yeah, Rogers was here. You seen her, Yana.
Didn't see Rogers, but okay, I'm letting her go anyway.
Jones, okay, come here,
And
Jones.
Holmes,
Here is Anthony Jones, Yana.
this Holmes.
Holmes.
That's Jones, this Holmes.
Oh, okay, Anthony Jones, sorry.
All right, are you Mr. Anthony Jones?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Jones, you're charged with theft by taking. That bond is set at $2,000. You know, Ms. Hambrick. How do you know Ms. Hambrick?
Miss who?
The allegation is that you took possession of Kamara Hambrick's clothing. How do you know her?
I don't. I don't, ma'am.
Are you employed, sir?
No, ma'am,
Why not?
because I go to school.
How old are you?
18.
Everybody.
18, ma'am.
You live in a dorm or something?
Yes, ma'am.
The allegation is that you took her
Yes.
at the dryer. You took her bra, gray shirt, light blue halter top, and rainbow blue jean cargo shirt, and that you put them in your pockets to try to conceal them. That's the allegation. I don't see where you have a criminal history.
Yeah, this like I said, this is my first time. I've never.
So you go to Clayton State?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Are they gonna let you come back on the campus?
They didn't say that. They just
They
took.
didn't say neither way.
No, they just brought me here.
But you can't have any this handbrake, okay? Whoever
Yeah.
clothes you allegedly stole, you can't, and you can't go in the laundromat and take stuff that don't belong to you.
Yes, ma'am.
All righty. Your bond set at 2,000 with no contact with her. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
He can sit on the bench and then get Mr. Holmes, Mr. Holmes. What's going on with the other gentleman?
Okay, we have Desmond Holmes, Your Honor.
Excuse me, somebody face off. Oh, it's okay. I'm sorry. I said, excuse me, I'm sorry. That's okay. Oh.
What's your name?
Desmond Holmes.
What you-
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
hold on. Mr. Holmes, you're charged with aggravated assault. I've set that bond to 8,000. It says that you took a kitchen knife, yelled, "Let's fight." You were disarmed by the victim, so you were unable to stab him. All right, so I've set that bond at 8,000. You cannot have any contact with Mr. Jamarcus Robinson, and you cannot go back to that location.
Yes,
That's
ma'am.
631 Fallview Drive in Forest Park, and you must not violate any laws while you're out on bond. And their hearing date for December 30 a.m. But if you bond out, you don't have to worry about that. And I have appointed an attorney to you, all right?
Yes, ma'am.
Good luck to you.
Thank you.
What's the last man name? Come on, sir.
Mr. Holmes, Mr. Jones, let's go.
The only person we have left now is Mr. Richards, right?
Ma'am.
Mr. Jones,
Mm-hmm.
So just give me what you have.
Ma'am,
Your Honor, I don't have anything. I've checked. I don't have anything.
ma'am, I have no criminal history. I lived in Canada for 12 years. I'm born in Jamaica, and I've been in the United States. I just got my
Part of Canada.
I'm a United States citizen. I just got that the 2 summers ago. I voted for the first time that the election. So I have no criminal record. I don't do nothing. I just work.
We'll wait for that.
Let me see the inquiry.
It doesn't have it down.
Yeah, you know, when you get your passport, they have to run your criminal background. They also have to check your taxes and make sure you've been doing what you're supposed to. So that might be the inquiry.
I have something, but that's probably why we don't have much because your recent thing. But I'm putting you at the house, so I hope that
You're kind of cutting out. Can you repeat yourself, please?
we'll let you go back in the house. I should have taken the other lady out. Don't go back there. Call the police if she starts acting up, but do what you need to do. You may have to go ahead and evict her. You can't help everybody if you're going to jail.
Yeah, how do I do that?
You have to come to the courthouse and do the paperwork.
Okay,
All right?
that's what I'm gonna do.
Your bond is $2,000. You can't have any violent or harassing contact. You can't hold her down. If she's cutting up, you just gotta call the authorities.
Okay,
All right?
okay, thank you.
All right. Let's see. And I am going to appoint an attorney to you.
Great,
All right?
thank you.
All right. Good luck to you, sir. Wait, hold on.
Yes,
All right,
ma'am.
hold on. Hold him. They just said they may have something for me. Hold on 1 second.
Rid of that's like the whole is this they say, you know, something comes through with it.
I don't
You
need.
know, 'cause that's why I can say it. You can get to somebody.
I think cookies, that's about it.
Whole thing, let's get a thing somebody. It's a nice hour right down there. Yeah, and you put me on. Right. Oh, sorry. Anything? I thought that was that was like, she forgot. It is, she better keep it.
You go ask something? I was the actor. I said, we ain't getting done until about 4 o'clock.
Yes.
Okay, don't worry about it. That's it. Thank you, deputies. We appreciate you.
Okay, have a good one.